Hi, I'm Jacob with Unlock Charleston, and I was doing a simple tune-up on my work van, and which included changing the spark plugs, and I made a horrible mistake. I dropped a 3/4 spark plug socket into my spark plug well and got it stuck, and after troubleshooting for a couple hours, I ended up JB welding a bolt into it overnight while it was still in the well. Trying to be careful not to get JB weld anywhere, which I think I did a pretty good job. If you get your socket stuck in your spark plug well, just unscrew your spark plug, but it's clearly much larger than my spark plug. The correct one was the 5/8 socket, which I ended up using. But my solution was to get one of these 2-pound slide hammers and use the I saw this online. I did have to grind my bolt a little bit before, and you just use this piece and then use your slide hammer.